If you're a woman over 40 who used to sleep like a baby but now lies awake at 2 a.m. wondering what happened to your body, what I'm about to tell you will change how you think about sleep forever. The reason you can't sleep anymore isn't stress, screens, or hormones. It's something happening mostly at the cellular level that no one talks about, and it explains why nothing you've tried has really worked. Hi, I'm Nineveh Daniel, and I've been a naturopath for over 15 years. Every single week, women tell me the same exact story. I used to fall asleep the moment my head hit the pillow. Now I toss and turn for hours, wake up multiple times, and feel more exhausted than when I went to bed. Does that sound familiar? You've probably tried everything too. Sleep hygiene, melatonin, magnesium, maybe even prescription medication. But here's what no one tells you. After 40, your body literally changes how it sleeps. This isn't about willpower or trying harder. Published research shows that something measurable shifts in your sleep architecture, and most sleep advice completely ignores this. Without this, all your sleep habits are just acting at the surface level. Here's a quick insight that changes everything. You have 4 distinct sleep stages, and research suggests women over 40 may lose 40% of stages 3 and 4, which are your deepest, most restorative phases. That's why you can get 8 hours but wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all. Here's what's really happening that no one talks about. Every night, your body runs what I call cellular housekeeping. Your brain literally clears toxins, your cells repair damage, and your body replenishes your energy stores. But this process depends on something called your glymphatic system. Essentially, your brain's cleanup crew that only works during deep sleep. The problem? Well, research suggests this system becomes less efficient as we age, especially after 40. There's another piece to this puzzle that even most healthcare professionals miss. Your body's repair resources may be declining. Studies tracking stem cell levels across different age groups suggest we lose approximately 10% of our circulating stem cells per decade after 18. So think about it. By 50, you may have 50% fewer repair resources than you had at 20. So even if you get the same hours of sleep, your body simply can't do the same level of restoration. This explains 3 things that probably sound very familiar. Why you wake up feeling unrefreshed even after a full 8 hours sleep, why your brain feels foggy during the day, and why your energy never fully recovers like it used to, no matter how much you sleep or rest. But here's the encouraging part. Once you understand what's happening, you can work with your body instead of against it. The solution isn't about forcing more sleep. It's about optimizing the sleep that you do get for maximum cellular repair. And research suggests there are specific windows when your body's repair systems work most effectively. So for example, growth hormone, your body's master repair hormone, peaks between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Miss this window and you miss your optimal restoration time, regardless of how many hours you sleep later. This is why going to bed at midnight and sleeping until 8 a.m. feels different than sleeping, say, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Same hours, completely different repair opportunity. I've been working with women on this approach for years, and I've seen remarkable transformations. Women who haven't slept well in months suddenly recording 20 to 25% deep sleep on their tracking devices, energy returning, brain fog clearing. The key is understanding that sleep after 40 isn't about quantity, it's about supporting your body's natural repair timeline. Over the next 2 videos in this series, I'm going to give you the exact science behind what's happening in your body, and more importantly, the specific protocol I use with clients to restore deep restorative sleep. Part 2 will explain the cellular repair science in detail and give you 3 strategies you can start that night. Part 3 will walk you through my complete 3-phase sleep reset protocol, the exact system that's helped hundreds of women reclaim their sleep quality. If you want to make sure you don't miss these videos, please hit the subscribe button right now. And if you're ready to dive deeper, I've created a free guide. It's called the Stem Cell Reset. It covers the foundational principles we'll explore in this series. Link is in the description below. And maybe drop a comment and tell me, What's the most frustrating part of your sleep challenges right now? I read every single comment, and your answers help me create content that actually addresses what you're dealing with. And know this, your body hasn't forgotten how to sleep. It just needs the right support for this new chapter of your life. So let's figure this out together. I'll see you in the next one.